Even if you are using VS Code for the web development and want to make beautiful websites by using CSS and don't download it CSS yet, so it's very easy. Open your VS Code and then go to this section. Here you will scroll and go to extensions, and in the extensions you will just search CSS, and with CSS you will find HTML CSS support. Only this, no one else. Okay, I'll down install it, and after some time it would be installed like this, and you can disable and uninstall it then. And here you can see I made a web page simple and linked with the CSS, okay, the style CSS option, which is this one. Okay, and I linked both, and whenever I go live it would show the CSS preview also. So it's very easy guys for you if you want to make such beautiful websites and by using CSS also. So thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel.